Welcome to Voices, the world's #1 marketplace for voiceover, where you can connect with over 500,000 talent in over 100 languages. Today, we're going to walk you through the amazing features of the platform that help you find, select, and pay talent, as well as collaborate with your creative team. To take you behind the scenes, we'll be using a demo account that we just created. But if you'd like to follow along, you can create your free account in seconds or log in with your credentials too. To find talent, you can search by keyword, or any of the categories in the dropdown. Browsing by category is a great way to get inspiration for your own project. As you explore, you can listen to demos, refine results further, and even invite talent to a job. This is a talent profile, where you can learn about a voice actor's location, top demos, vocal skills, and more. With over 500,000 voice talent to discover, we're sure to have the sound you're looking for. Now, one of the fastest ways to find talent is to post a job and let our voice match algorithm bring the talent right to you. Let's post a job. In the project overview, we'll input a brief and engaging title that describes your VO need, where your voiceover will appear, and if applicable, for how long the finished project will run. Next, in performance details, we'll describe the vocal qualities. To start, you can select the type of character you want the talent to play, followed by language, accent, gender, etc. Then, we recommend that you include a sample script so you can receive custom auditions and can hear how the talent will sound with your exact project. You can even include an audio reference if you like. And as a voiceover talent, we really like those. Next, select a preferred talent budget. Finally, before posting your job, you have two options: self-service or professional service. With self-service, you manage the project on your own, from job posting, coordination, and final delivery. Our voice match algorithm can match voice talent to your job details and automatically invite them to audition for your job. Or you can still choose to manually invite specific talent to privately audition one by one. However, with professional services, you'll get assistance along every step of the way from one of our account managers. This is especially popular for those with complex projects. Now, you're ready to post your job. Within just minutes to a few hours, you'll start seeing auditions come in under the Responses tab. Let's review some auditions. Under Responses, all auditions are organized by the voice match score, with the most qualified talent at the top. On this page, you can listen through auditions, save your top choices to a shortlist, see the talent's rating and navigate to their profile by clicking on their name, see each talent's quote, click Open Proposal to see specific notes the talent left you, and message talent directly to ask them any questions. You can also create and share a shortlist of your favorite auditions with your team via a custom link. Give your shortlist page a custom name. Then, choose how much information about the talent to share, such as name, rating, price quote, etc. Your team can then vote on their top choice. You'll see the votes right on the page. Once you've narrowed it down to the perfect voice, hiring is easy. After clicking Hire, simply choose how you'd like to pay: credit card or PayPal. Once you click Confirm and Pay, you can rest assured that your money will be securely held with our SurePay service, which ensures that no funds are released to the voice actor until you're satisfied with your final files. Next, you'll create an agreement that outlines the details of your working relationship with the talent, with information like total fees and payment terms, as well as expected delivery date of final files. As the voice actor works on the job, you'll be able to message one another through the Messages tab, and final files will appear under the Files section. Once you're happy with the recording, simply click Approve and download your file. All that's left to do is release your funds to the voice actor and provide a review of their services. While it really is that easy, we know that sometimes you'll have questions or need a little extra guidance. With our extensive help section, you'll have access to hundreds of FAQ articles and to our customer support team, available to help you over the phone or via email. As we mentioned, people love to collaborate on voices, and we make it easy for your whole team to join in. You can add additional members to your account right from the homepage. Simply put in their email address and select one of the multiple roles that you can assign depending on the privileges you want to give members of your team. And that's it. Finding and hiring professional voice talent has never been easier on Voices. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account and post your first job today.